Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Lecture by Mr. Domne. I am Amit. In this video, let's see one more Python mini project where we will going to check whether uh, that particular site is working or not, whether we are able to connect with that particular site or not. So this program is used to check your internet connection, whether your internet connection are good enough to connect with that any site or not. So here I've written this code and I will going to show you. Actually, I'm here trying to check whether my internet connection is good to connect to this YouTube or not. So before that, I will going to show you the output. I will going to show you how we can check the output, and then I will explain you the code. So in order to do that, let's open this command prompt. In this command prompt, you can see a lot of things are there, but this thing I have to do it in order to install few library, because when you run this code you might get an error on this import request, because this is a library that you need to install it before making a request to the particular website or particular node in the that are connected in the network. So for that you need to raise a request and you need to import that request library in your code. And how you're going to do that? In order to going to do that, you need to install this Python library. For that you need to run this command. Let me show you which command you will going to run this. So you need to run this command pip3 install request. When you run this command, the connection will get established with this request library, and this request library will be installed in your local system. Once this request library is installed, you can make a request to the request a connection with the various website or various like a URL. So in order to do that, I have installed this library. Now I will going to run this code and I will going to show you how it works. You need to just pass the name of the website in your code. I have passed it with YouTube. I will going to show you with other also if you want. So here just see that in order to run this, what you need to do it, you need to go to the path where your file is there. You can check it here. This is my path, uh, my mini project internet connection check, and you can check it here also. Same path is there. My Python mini project internet connection. Inside that, the file name is internet connection check py. When I will going to run this, in order to run this, you need to type Python and the name of file and just you need to press enter. Once you press enter, it will going to show attempting to connect this URL to determine the internet connection, and your internet connection is stable enough that you can connect to this website. That's why it is giving you the message that the connection was successful. It means that your internet connection is good and this website is also not down, and this website is running actively. Because of that, the connection was successful. So this code will help you to find it out, not only your internet connection but also going to check whether this website is down or up. So that down or up in the sense whether it is able to pick up the load and actively or not, whether you are able to connect with this website or not. That is the code is saying. So let me explain the code, then we will try with some other link. So here I have created one user defined function. This is my user defined function. In this function, what I did first, this is your library. This library is used to make a request with any URL. And you need to pass the name of the library, sorry, you need to pass the name of the URL to which you want to connect it. Or you can say read the name of website or URL, you can say, that we want to connect. After that, I have written here print f. F is used for formatting your string. In order to print the URL here, you need to take this curly braces so that this URL, whatever URL you will going to read, it will print it here. So this F is for formatting the string and you will going to print. Now within this try and accept block, you will going to check whether you are able to get the request whether you are able to connect with that website or URL that you are reading within this 10 millisecond or not, within this time period or not. If you are not able to do that, then it will throw an error and this accept block will handle it. But in case if you do this connection before the timeout occur, then your connection will be established successfully and it will return true. In case if this request doesn't make it within this 10 millisecond, then it will throw an error and this accept block will going to handle it, and it will going to print the message that you are failed to connect that URL, and it will going to return false, and this internet connection you can call it. So how the flow is, your function you have written it here, internet connection test. Let's try with the other URL. Let's take the google.com. So I have taken here www.google.com, and here, as I already explained you, if the connection was established within a 10 millisecond, then it will print a successful. Otherwise it will throw an error and you will get an error message. And as you call this is your calling of the function. As you call this function, this code will get executed. So let's see this code. So let's run this code. In order to run that, you need to go to the path of this file, and let's run this again. Okay, sorry, I think I haven't saved the file. Let me save it first. Once I save it, then I will retry once again. Let me clear the screen, and now I will try again. So here see, failed to connect www.google.com. It means that my connection was not proper and I was not able to connect it. Let me try. Okay, let me check it whether if I have made it any mistake here. No, the link was correct. I think my internet connection was not good, so that I was not able to connect it. Let me try with other website. Mm, okay, let me check with the yahoo.com. I'm just trying with the Yahoo now, and let's print this. First, let me save it and then try it back. I think now my internet connection will work. So now see, the connection was successful. It means that the site is up, the site is able to pick the load, and I'm able to connect with this site successfully. So in this way, I have shown in this video that how you can check your internet connection and how you can check whether the website is able to pick the load and able to connect with the uh, your system or not, or whether you will able to connect with the server or not. So we have seen in this video, I've shown you the code. You just need to pass the URL whichever you want to check it, either YouTube, Yahoo, or whatever the website that you want to check whether that server is able to pick the load and whether your internet connection is sufficient enough, or like a speed is good enough that you can connect to this server. So you can check with this code. So in this way, I've shown you how you can connect to the any URL, and you can check this. You can run this code and you can check your internet connection status. If you like my video, then please comment it, share it, subscribe it. Till then, bye. We will meet in the next video with more Python project. Goodbye.